Day 0, safety, setup and realistic change. Welcome to day 0 of this 21-day Better Habits journey. Before we get into goals, routines and productivity, we need to talk about safety. This program is not medical, psychological or financial advice. It doesn't replace a doctor, therapist, dietitian or any qualified professional. It's coaching and support for habit change. If you're dealing with severe depression or anxiety, eating disorders, extreme dieting or over-exercising, addiction or withdrawal from substances, self-harm, suicidal thoughts, or thoughts of harming others, then habit work can help, but it must sit alongside proper professional support, not instead of it. If at any point during this program you feel at risk of harming yourself or someone else, or your behaviour suddenly becomes unsafe, stop this audio and contact emergency services, your GP or your local crisis team immediately. Your safety comes first, always. Now a quick self-check. Am I currently under care for any serious mental or physical health condition? Any of my planned habits actually risky, extreme diets, overtraining, dangerous challenges? Do I have a history of obsessive or compulsive behavior around food, exercise, work, or substances? If yes, your next move is discuss your habit plans with a professional before you turn this into a high-pressure challenge. If it's safe for you to do a coaching-based habit program, here's the frame for the next 21 days. You will think tiny. We're building small, repeatable moves, not heroic temporary stunts. Tell the truth about what you actually do, not what you wish you did. Play the long game. We want habits that still exist in 90 days, not just in week 1. Grab a notebook or a notes app, write today's date and the sentence, "This is the day I decided to take my habits seriously." Your only job before day 1. Decide on one main area you want to improve for the next 21 days. Health, work, finances, relationships, personal growth, recovery supporting habits. So that concludes day 0. Be kind to yourself, be gentle on yourself, make sure you eat, make sure you hydrate, and make sure you rest. And I'll see you in day 1.